Hello, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make VLC Media Player your default player in Windows 10. If you're tired of the default Windows Media Player and prefer VLC, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, let's open the Settings menu. You can do this quickly by pressing the Windows key + on your keyboard. Once you're in the Settings menu, click on Apps. On the left sidebar, you'll see an option for Default Apps. Click on it to open the Default Apps settings. Now, scroll down until you see the Music Player section. Click on this, and a list of available apps will appear. From this list, select VLC Media Player. Also, you can set it as the default for Video Player. And that's it. You've successfully set VLC as your default media player in Windows 10. From now on, all your video and audio files will automatically open with VLC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.